Hey guys, Leslie with Majestic Party Rental here with another tutorial for you guys. So today I'm going to teach you a freestanding no helium pillar. I have already pre-inflated my balloons. So we're doing quads and I have already pre-inflated them to 9 inches each, okay? And we're going to do a spiral color. That way it looks nice and easy, and we're using an orb as our topper. And we have already pre-inflated this with our hand pump. I did use my machine today to pre-inflate my balloons just to try to get this going a little bit faster. And of course, we have our water weight. And today I did use my measurements. That way we can make sure that our balloons are all sized to the same size, because it matters when you're doing a pillar. So we're gonna start with one of the quads and we're gonna tie our water balloon weight to that. And I hope everyone can see me here. And excuse guys, I'm dressed funky today. Decided to come comfortable. I've been here all day making little things here and there. So now what I'm going to use is I'm going to attach a 260 to my quad. I'm going to tie it. And I'm just going to go around my balloons like in a form of an E, okay? It's that simple. So in order for us to get the spiral colors, I have already pretty much started by adjusting our colors already prior to. So as you can see, we have our silver, our gold, our blue, and our green, and we're just gonna switch it one color apart, okay? Again, I'm gonna do shape of an 8 around my balloons, just to make sure that all my balloons are nice and grabbed on here, okay? Next one up. Again, we're gonna make sure our colors are already separated. And again, we're gonna skip one and then switch, form of an 8 around all my balloons to make sure they're all nice and snug. And as I'm attaching, I'm pressing down, okay? Next one. Sorry guys, making sure that all our colors are properly in the right place. And we're just gonna get this one going. And so there we are. And again, we're skipping one, form of 8 around all my balloons. And there you are. And again, I'm pressing down. And this is freestanding, guys. As you can see, there's no poles in here, and then our weight is on the bottom. Same guys, we're just gonna flip it over. We're gonna make sure our balloons are put in there properly. And again, we're gonna skip one and form of an 8. And get all around our balloons. Last one. And so here we're using a total of 6 sets. And so as you can see, we're going to switch over to the silver one. And again, we're going to skip one, form of an 8. And we're just going all around our balloons. That way they're nice and snug. Since this is the last one, all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of the tails to one of the balloons and tie it with our 260 just to secure this. And it should look like this. I am using a scrap 260 to attach my orb to the top of this. And so I'm just going to put it on the top, wrap it around, and then tie it. And that is how simple a freestanding, no helium column in the spiral colors is made, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.